Hi everyone, welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hi, friends. I love wind-up toys. You wind them up and they do fun things. I have 4 wind-up toys I'd like to share with you today. Are you ready? Let's go. Come on. Whoa, this is my robot. It's not just any robot. It's a baby robot. You say it. Baby robot. What should we do? Should we make him go? You say it. Say yes. What should I do, friends? You say, make it go. How do we make it go? You say, turn the knob. You say it. Turn the knob. Here we go. Help me out. Ready? Let's say it together. Turn. 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 And you tell the baby robot. You tell him. Go, go, go. Baby robot walking down the street. Baby robot walking down the street. Oh, uh-oh. What happened? You say, you fell down. Well, babies fall down sometimes. Let's turn again. Ready? Turn. Turn. Here we go. You tell baby robot. Tell him. Say, try again. You say, go, go, go. Baby robot. Oh no, he fell again. Wah. Oh no, baby robot. Does he have a boo-boo? I think he does right there. You say it. Say, boo-boo. Oh, it's okay, baby robot. It's okay. My baby robot is learning how to walk. Let's say bye-bye to the baby robot. You say, bye-bye. Let's get some more. Let's see what else we have. Are you ready? Let's see. I have a baby mouse. What should we do with that baby mouse? Let's make him go. How do we make the baby mouse go? We have to turn the knob. What do we do? You say, turn knob. Turn. 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 Here we go. You tell that mouse. You tell him, go, go, go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. He can do backflips. Tell him to go again. You say, go, go, go. Woohoo. Nice job, baby mouse. You say, bye, mouse. You say it. Bye, mouse. Let's get some more. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we have a ladybug. should we do? You say, make it go. Right. How do we make it go? You say, turn the knob. What should we do, friends? You say it. Turn the knob. Okay, I wonder what the ladybug is going to do. Here we go. Turn. 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 You tell that ladybug. Say, go, go, go. Little ladybug going for a walk. Little ladybug going for a walk. Whoa! Little ladybug going for a walk. Going for a walk. Yay! That was fun. What? Come back here, ladybug. You say, bye-bye. Bye, ladybug. That was fun. I like ladybugs. I wonder what we have next. Are you ready for our last wind-up toy? Whoa! You say it. What do you see? I see a gorilla. You say it. Gorilla. You say it. Say, whoa. What should we do, friends? You say, make it go. How do we make it go? You say, turn the knob. Here we go. Help me out. You say what I say. Turn. 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 Wait, there's more. Turn. Here we go. Are you ready? Help me out, friends. Ready. Set. Go. Little gorilla going for a walk. Little gorilla going for a walk. Little gorilla going for a walk. Going for a walk. Cha-cha-cha. Yay! And you say, bye, gorilla. You say, bye-bye. Bye, gorilla. That was so much fun. I love wind-up toys. Which was your favorite? Remember? There were 4 of them. Can you remember which ones? There was the gorilla, the ladybug, baby robot, and the mouse that did backflips. Which was your favorite? I liked all of them. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. I'll see you another day. Bye, friends.